this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and I'm super excited to announce the return of the Edinburgh Harmonica Workshop. So the 2019 Edinburgh Harmonica Workshop is going to take place from the 19th to the 21st of July in Edinburgh, Scotland. So that's where I live, and that's where I do my workshop. So I'm super pleased because this year we've got some incredible people coming to join me. We have Sankey, we have Ronnie, Shellist, and we have Liam Ward. So some absolute titans of the harmonica world. And what I thought I would do, I thought I would tell you a little bit about what the workshops are that I'm going to be teaching, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about the weekend. So the workshops I'm teaching, the first one is 12-bar blues bass lines as a basis for improvisation. So basically, I'm going to teach you 3 different bass lines, box shuffle, a boogie, a rumba-style bass line, and I'm going to show you how you can take these and turn them into the basis for your harmonica solos. Because I think all too often, when people are improvising over a 12-bar blues, they tend to just kind of go there without a plan. But if you use something like a bass line, you can jump off of it, and it sounds a lot more coherent. So you can take something like... So you can hear the bass line is coming through the solo, but it's not the only thing that I'm doing. So I'm going to show you how to do that kind of thing. So that's the first workshop I'm going to be teaching. The second workshop is what is a minor blues and how to play one. So I'm going to be going through what the minor blues chord structure is over a 12-bar blues and what that implies and what it means for you as a harmonica player. So I'll show you how you can play minor blues, and that doesn't necessarily mean changing position. There'll be a lot of work in second position, but I'll be showing you how you can take what you already know and apply it to a minor. I'll show you what notes not to play as well. That's a really important facet, because I think a lot of people assume that if they're playing minor blues, they have to play in third position. And you don't have to play in third position. It's great, but you can also do second position minor blues, and that sounds brilliant as well. You just need to be careful about not succumbing to your muscle memory, which is going to make you play certain notes that sound great over a major blues, but not so good over a minor blues. And then the final workshop I'm going to be teaching sounds super boring, but I think it's going to be really cool. And that's how to play with a backing track and why is it good for you. So a lot of people come to me and they have real trouble playing in time with a metronome, with themselves, with a backing track, and eventually with other musicians. And all of this comes down to not knowing where the pulse is and not being able to follow a chord progression. So we're going to look at how you can use backing tracks to learn how to do that, how you can really kind of ingrain the chord progressions and solidify your feel of the beat. Because to be honest, note choice doesn't really matter. The most important thing in blues music is having good rhythm and good feel. So I'm going to show you how you can play with these backing tracks, how you can find the pulse, how you can work out what key it is. This is really important for your ear training, and what strategies to use to improvise. And we're going to take some slightly weird backing tracks as well, so that you're not just in that comfort zone of your kind of medium 12-bar blues shuffle that most people have seen before. You're in something that's a little bit more realistic, something that's a little bit different. So those are the 3 workshops that I'm going to be teaching. Now, a little bit more information about the weekend in general. So on the Friday night, on the 19th of July, we're kicking off with a performance with all the teachers and an amazing house band at a venue called the Voodoo Rooms in Edinburgh, which is an absolutely fabulous venue. And then on Saturday and Sunday, we're going to have lots and lots of workshops, and you're going to have the choice of all the workshops from all the different teachers. And each workshop is going to be repeated twice. So if you can't make it during one time slot, you might have a second opportunity to do so. And we're also going to have lots of jam sessions. So there'll be a jam session at the Voodoo Rooms with a house band, and everyone's going to play. That's really, really important. There'll also be acoustic jam sessions during the day as well. So there's a big focus on jamming and playing with other musicians. And also, you know, hanging out with each other. That's a big part of these weekends. So the whole weekend, there are only 80 places, and we've already sold over half of them. The tickets are £250 each. So if you want to come to the workshop, I suggest you get on it pretty quickly because it will sell out. And to do that, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below, where you can get all of the details as well as the workshop information from the other teachers. All right, very excited about seeing you in Edinburgh in July. I'll see you very soon. Happy harping.